I'm gonna tell you exactly what you can do to get a higher credit score. The reason why I'm saying this is because everyone thinks that all you can do is get things deleted, but that's not true. You see, there are accounts and things that are on your credit that you think are helping, but they're actually hurting you because they're disguised. Here's what I mean. Basically, you can have good accounts on your credit, but something on that account is lowering your score. These are called point deductions. And how they work is everything on your credit either raises or lowers your score. The thing is, most people don't know what's being deducted or what's being added or how to even make it happen. So something you can do to figure this out, there's this tool called Score Navigator, and they have this simulator on their website that you can put in what you want your score to be, and it'll tell you exactly what you need to do per account to make that happen. So it's going to look on your whole credit profile to see what changes you need to make. So it may say like make an extra payment on this, or pay this one down $5, or maybe even spend some money on this card. That way to get you that target score that you want. Check it out. It's called Score Navigator.